Hi, my name is Brandon, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Mitolyn before actually buying the product. I have some important alerts to share, so stay until the end of the video, and I'll tell you. The first thing you need to know about Mitolyn is be careful with the website you're going to buy, because Mitolyn is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Today, we're going to talk about a product that is revolutionizing the weight loss market, Mitolyn. Mitolyn is a 100% natural supplement that promises to speed up your metabolism and burn calories quickly and efficiently. It's being hailed as the best product on the market today for those looking for real results without suffering from side effects. Mitolyn is a supplement created with an innovative formula designed to target and eliminate the most stubborn fat deposits in your body. It uses only natural ingredients, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals or adverse effects. The standout feature of Mitolyn lies in how it sustainably accelerates your metabolism, helping your body burn calories all day long, even when you're not working out. It's like turning your body into a fat-burning machine. In addition, Mitolyn also helps regulate your appetite, preventing those intense cravings for sweets or high-calorie foods that can sabotage your weight loss journey. Now, you might be wondering, what makes Mitolyn so effective? The answer lies in its combination of natural ingredients that work synergistically to boost your basal metabolic rate. This means your body burns more calories, even at rest. Break down stubborn fat stores, those love handles or localized fat that don't go away with diet or exercise. Promote a thermogenic effect, slightly raising your body temperature, which naturally and safely increases calorie burn. And the best part? No side effects. That's because the formula is made exclusively with natural ingredients, such as plant extracts, minerals, and vitamins that are already compatible with your body. Many users have already tested Mitolyn, and the results are impressive. One of the biggest benefits reported by consumers is that Mitolyn targets tough fat, such as belly, back, and thigh fat, those areas that usually only respond to intense effort. So, if you're tired of struggling with your weight without success, it's time to give Mitolyn a try. Don't let stubborn fat continue to be a problem in your life. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Mitolyn for 90 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. Now, here's a crucial warning. If you're looking to try Mitolyn, I strongly recommend purchasing only from the official manufacturer's website. This ensures you get the genuine product and avoids potential scams. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Alright folks, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time.